So by now, Black Friday is less than a week away, and if you guys haven't already started preparing, there's not much time left to do so. But today, I'll be going over 3 ways that you guys can prepare your stores for Black Friday and sell more than any other day this year. So if you guys are new here, my name's Alex. I cover all things e-com on this channel. So if you guys find any value in this video whatsoever, remember to leave a like and subscribe for plenty more. And with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so 3 ways to prepare for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I just went ahead and put together a quick little PowerPoint presentation for you guys, but when certain topics require us going into more detail, we definitely will on this. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first suggestion that I have for you guys is using a post-purchase upsell app. So what this does is this allows your customers to experience your one-click upsells that you put in place for them. So one-click upsells mean your customer doesn't have to go through and drag out their credit card information again and put in their shipping info. All they have to do is click add to order or purchase, whatever you guys set up for them. And you guys can offer quantity discounts on there as well. So say somebody purchases a $20 item from you, you can get them to purchase another one, but save 5, 10, maybe even 15%. You guys are in full control of all of these discounts and what items you put at checkout and everything else. So you guys can upsell other products that are similar or related to your product, or maybe even add-ons, or just get them to buy more of the original product from you as well. So this increases your average order value or your AOV. That's the point of doing this. So say you're selling a $20 item and people usually buy like 1 or 2 from you, then your average order value is anywhere between like $20 and $30. But by getting them to buy more, this increases it over time, and you can actually track the behavior and watch what this app does for your store and see the actual performance. So there's many of these post-purchase upsell apps available on the Shopify App Store. I personally use Reconvert. It happens to be my favorite. I've tested many, but this is the one that I've been using for a long time. I like their features, I like their pricing points, and I like the plans and support that they have available for you. So let's go ahead and look at their page on the actual Shopify App Store, and I'll walk you guys through it and show you why I use this app. Okay, so this is Reconvert, upsell, and cross-sell right here. So as you guys can see right here, there's a 30-day free trial, so you guys can test this and see if it fits your needs, if it works for your store, and if not, just delete it and try something else. So there's the thank you page tracking, there's the one-click upsell and the cross-sell, and then you guys can track all of the performance that this app does for you. So here's all about it. You guys can read through that, see all of the features and everything else there. I'll walk you through the media gallery really quick. So your customers can input their birthday information. You guys can send them discount codes or even like free products, whatever, some type of gifts on your customers' birthdays. It collects the feedback from the products itself. You guys can customize this right here to get people to add additional items to their orders. It allows them to track their orders right there without having to add an additional app, social media widgets, coupon codes, everything in this picture right here. So I really like the layout of this. I like all of the analytics so you guys can track what it does for your store and actually see how much value it's adding to each order. And then, like I said, it's very easy to set up. You guys have full control over this, or you can let it optimize and test itself. It has its own funnels in here already preset. I recommend trying some out since you guys know your store the best and setting these all up yourself and customizing it and see what works and what doesn't. But we'll go through the pricing really quick. So if you guys can see right down here, they have a free plan up to 49 orders a month, and then $7.99 up to 99 orders a month, and then you're paying $29.99 a month up to 500. And then they have additional plans if you guys are getting more than 499 monthly orders, which I would assume many of you are, especially during Q4. So the pricing works for you. Right now, it's adding an additional $30, $40 to each order on my store. So go ahead and add it to your store and see what it can do for you guys. And then you can also look at all the reviews of other Shopify merchants and see what they like about this app. Okay, my second suggestion for you guys is to create all of your content ahead of time. So all of your Black Friday content, all of your ads, all of your promotions, your email banners, your social media posts, your creatives, everything you want to go through at least like a week before, a few days before, and create it all ahead of time so you're not scrambling, making like story posts and Twitter posts and forgetting things the day of, so you guys can kind of relax and watch all of the sales roll in. You want to plan everything by the day, and you want to schedule your posts, schedule your ads. There's a lot of apps that you guys can use on your phone to schedule, like Instagram posts or Facebook posts. Actually, you can schedule your Facebook posts directly on Facebook. Same thing with ads as well. You want to go through and create your Black Friday ads, your Cyber Monday ads, and schedule everything beforehand so Facebook has enough time to go through and review it and approve it, or decline it and allow you time to go through and change what you need to change. You'll want to bump up a lot of your compare at prices to increase your discounts available on your store. So if you're normally running a 20% discount, you might want to bump it up to like a 50% discount and make the customer think they're saving more that day. Just all buyer psychology there. You guys can look into that if you want to, but definitely something I recommend doing. But you guys can also include actual discounts as well for your loyal customers that actually understand and know your prices, so they're not blindsided on Black Friday when they're paying the same amount but it looks like they're saving more. You also want to come up with a set of seasonal discount codes, so you guys can come up with like different Black Friday discount codes for like different products or your store as a whole, for your email subscribers, for people on your Facebook page. You guys can keep track of where all your different sales come from by coming up with a different set of seasonal discount codes and then go through and promote those as well. So the one thing I like about Canva is it allows you to use many of their Black Friday banners and presets to go through and create all your content as well, whether you have the free or pro plan on there. So let's go ahead and take a look at that really quick. Okay, so I'm here on Canva and I just found this really quick Black Friday template, but it does happen to be a Canva Pro image, so you do need to pay to download this. But there's a ton of suggestions down here, a lot pro like this one, but there's a lot as well that are free like this one. So if you guys want to use any of these templates to get started, you're totally free to do so. You guys can use this to create like Instagram posts, Facebook, Twitter posts. You guys can use it to create thumbnails for your ads. You guys can use it to create your actual ads, stories for your social media posts, email banners, everything else. But there's a ton of free templates and paid templates to help you guys get started on here and to jump right ahead of your competition. So I recommend using this. Most of it's free and fully customizable, and you guys can get the results that you want to see this Black Friday, and they also have a ton of free videos for you to use as well. Okay, so the last tip that I have for you guys is to hire additional help and make sure your suppliers have the inventory. So you're gonna need additional inventory for the increased demand of Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I've actually had suppliers run out of inventory during this increased demand period, and it was absolutely horrible. So I remember back in 2018, 2019, I was running this clothing store. I don't even think it was a print-on-demand store, but I was using suppliers from all around the world to sell these clothing products that I had designed in the past. But during the Black Friday, Cyber Monday craze, my suppliers actually ran out of the clothing to go ahead and screen print these t-shirts and everything without telling me. I had no idea, and then they just started canceling orders as they were going through and left me with a huge backlog of customers wondering where the hell their products were. So I'll never forget that horror story. You want to go through every single year and just make sure, ask your supplier a week beforehand, do you have inventory for increased demand? I am running a promotion for Black Friday. I should see, you guys should already know how much of a percentage of increase you guys should expect, at least, roughly. But you guys should let them know, like, hey, I'm expecting a 50% surge in sales by next weekend. Do you guys have inventory to cover it? Or, start looking elsewhere. You can hire seasonal customer service members to assist, so kind of like the holiday season at like Target or a Walmart or something, where they're hiring seasonal service members and then they can choose to keep them hired on later in the fact or just let them go when the holidays are over. So I'll show you guys how to find seasonal customer service members for this. And then you guys can also hire somebody to be in charge of placing your orders, sending your orders, or ordering additional inventory when needed. So kind of just like an inventory manager, somebody to be in charge of all of that so you guys can get that headache off of your hands. But if they're going to be in charge of ordering the inventory, you want to make sure that you're tracking it accurately on Shopify so they know when they need to place more orders and you can time everything out right. But let's talk about hiring additional customer service members for the holiday season so that you guys can free up your hands, free up your time, and allow you to focus on other areas of your business. So Fiverr is a great place to start looking for additional customer service members. So I just typed in customer service Shopify and you guys can see a ton of listings down here, starting at $5, starting at $10, running up to $100. A lot of them are between $5 and $10 around here, $160. You're really gonna go off of the the volume of customer service emails that you have, what kind of service you need, whether you want them answering on the phone, emailing them back, or anything like that. But all of these listings right here are going to be fully customized to meet your needs on your store. You just need to find the one that works for you and then just go through, purchase it, see how much time you're going to need from them, and figure it all out with them from there on. But like I said, it starts from $5. You can find a good customer service rep, $5-10, and they'll meet your needs, they'll get everything done that they need to, and allow you to free up your time and free up yourself to focus on other areas. So it's definitely a great idea to hire additional hands and help you get all hands on deck for your Shopify stores this Q4. I hope I was able to help you prepare for Black Friday and to get your stores set up for all that increased demand. If you found any value in this video whatsoever, remember to leave a like and subscribe for plenty more. I have 2 ecom resources linked in the description below. You're welcome to check out either one of those. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.